thumbnail. Hey guys, it's me Faith, and today I'll be showing you guys Squishies from Wallgreens. So yeah, and I know you guys have been like not really asking, but like I don't know. But anyway, let's get into the video. And this is gonna be like a 2-minute, 5-minute long video, so it's not really that long. It's just really short. So I have this huge one, which I have shown you guys the smaller version. I have two, and well, kind of. This one is mine. This one is my sister's. That. Yeah. So yeah, the poop we got from Wallgreens. It's for $4. My sister's got. But we have this. Get away! We have this one. Oh, why did I think this is from Wallgreens? It's not. We have this cat mermaid thing that my little sister lost the tail to. Oh my gosh! I need to get them like stairs or something. They'll always be crazy. Hey! We have this mini donut that's $3. Comes with a keychain. And then I have the jumbo donut, which it's there, and basically all around it. And then I got this one from Wallgreens. I know I was uploading a video, and this looked exactly like my Pony Maru one, but it's not my Pony Maru. So yeah. Strawberry, you can tell that it's not Pony Maru just from here and the strawberry wrinkles. Oh, yeah, I'm kind of scared because the kids are gonna attack my feet. And I think this is the last one, or they just knocked it off. But the last one, like I said, it's going to be 2 to 5 minutes long. It's probably only going to be like 3 minutes long, but it's fine. I might do some more squishies, like, yeah. So anyway, I have this ice cream. Oh my gosh! Yeah, play with that. Alright, so I have this ice cream. It's not mine, this is my sister's. Why are you scared of the wall? Gosh, I swear. So I'm trying to get like more Elizabeth. Plus, she is. Yes. So yeah. Oh my gosh, you keep hitting yourself. She keeps hitting herself. I don't know why, but she does. She just does. And yeah, basically. Oh my gosh. And I did it. I'm going to do a squishy makeover on this one, just because the horn fell off and it's really defected, and I've only had it for, so it's really defected and the horn came off. So, and I've only had it for about 2 months now, but my sister ripped off the horn. So I do have some puffy paint here, but I only have this. So I'm just going to go grab, I'm gonna buy some new ones, and then maybe I'll do a video on that. Yeah. But anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Where did everything go? Oh my gosh. It's like, I found it. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, and these are here are the two that I didn't show in my first ever video. I think it was my first ever video. of my squishy collection whenever I was with Harley. Hey! Don't eat it in the bag. They like to rip holes in the back of it. So, yeah, and it's just like this pizza slice with the green. I feel like one of them. It's gonna come in here and attack. But what I was talking about was this one. Right. So you can also get. I'm trying to. So this is what I was talking about, guys. Like, you could get these for $6 at Walmart. There's poppy ones. So these four. Oh, gosh, I'm dropping everything today. You could get these for at Walmart for $6, and yeah. And then you can also get. Let me grab them. Oh my gosh. What one am I missing? Oh. Nope. Alright, so you can get this one, watermelon, cupcake muffin or ice cream, and the donut. Also for $6 at Walmart. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. But without further ado, bye.